Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute elephant. Let's get started. So what you need today is a pencil and a sketch notebook or paper. So I'm going to turn to my first clean page like this. So let's start by drawing a perfect circle. So I'm gonna draw it. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but if you want it to be perfect, you can. Erase some lines if you want. I'm gonna make a small version, but you can make it as big as you want. Okay. Once you're done, this is where it gets tricky. So you have to do the ear like this. Okay? So once you're done with that, repeat on the other side. It's okay if it's a little uneven. So it kind of should look something like this. Okay? And once you're done, make a little trunk shape. It's like a falling waterfall or something. Little trunk. And then do that so it should look like this. And then draw 2 little dots for the eyes. Should look like this. I'm not going to do the body, but I do like to draw 2 circles right here so it looks like it's like peeking out of its little hiding place. If you want me to draw more things like that, please comment down below and